What size is that?
22 or 7/8 will work. I'll probably lose the impact.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna start heating it too. I'm gonna go over there and get me the Bud Light with the twisted tab and maybe a cigarette while I stand here. There should be on the tire machine, Bud Light.
It's already empty.
Oh, okay, well if there's, I don't know. That'll work too. Cool. Barry had 3 kits of internet thyroidine sitting there.
Wow.
He's like, I'll take one of those off you. Glad I did.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, that's good.
Right.
Woo.
There you go. Very nice.
Pretty nice. There's your